Hey everyone, I am going to be showing you today how to run your new Model S through the car wash. Tesla has thoughtfully included a special mode just for doing that because it was kind of difficult before. You had to kind of fiddle with it, get it in neutral, and if your butt left the seat, you ended up going into park and it was just not good. So let's go ahead and buy us a car wash.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Have you been a Raceway before?
Yeah, let's do the double one up the top. Yeah.
Not interested in going unlimited at all?
No, thank you though.
No problem. Here's your receipt for next time.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, have a good day.
So the first thing you're going to do is go into your service menu while you're not moving and hit car wash mode. Enter car wash mode. It'll make sure everything's closed. Fold your mirrors with that button there. The hardest trick here is going to be when you put it into free roll. You have to actually put your foot on the brake to do it, so it's a little counterintuitive, and you may be stressing while you're trying to go through this automatic roller guy. So here, I'll show you how it works. You also want to make sure you go to a fairly new car wash. You don't want to have the ones with the really old flippy things that'll scratch your car up. This one's been pretty good. I've tried it a few times and haven't had too many issues with swirls in the paint or anything like that. So put your foot on the brake, hit free roll. So I just tapped the held down the brake a little bit, and then you hit free roll, and now the car will stay in neutral, and it makes sure that your climate control goes to recirculating. It turns off your windshield wipers and everything like that. Make sure your charge port door stays locked so it won't pop open while it's running. And you can just kind of roll through without worrying about it. Just keep your feet off the brake and your hands off the steering wheel. And now we'll just kind of roll through. You can see, you can't probably read it here, but it says it disables the automatic shift to park when exiting the vehicle. So you could get out of the vehicle at a car wash where, you know, they run it through the car wash without you in it. This will disable that automatic park when you get out. After the rollers section, I like to unfold my mirrors so that they kind of get rinsed off while I'm going through the rinse cycle. Stuff like that, but I haven't had an issue. And then to exit out, you're going to have to put your foot on the brake and switch to drive as soon as this sign tells me I can go. So tap brake, drive, and we're good to go. So I'm going to go over here and park. we've got a nice clean car. Thanks for watching.